Welcome. If you're looking to delete your Pinterest account using the latest version of the Pinterest app on your PC, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you through a simple step-by-step process to permanently delete your account with the new update. First, launch the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look towards the left side of the screen where you'll find the main menu. Here, locate and click on the gear icon. This icon typically represents settings and will open up a range of options for managing your account. After clicking the gear icon, select the settings option from the menu. This will take you to a page where you can customize various aspects of your Pinterest experience. From the settings menu, find and click on Account Management. This section is specifically designed to help you manage your account preferences and important actions. Inside the Account Management section, scroll until you find the option labeled Delete Account. Go ahead and click on that. Pinterest will then prompt you to confirm that you want to move forward with deleting your account by clicking Continue. At this point, you'll be asked to choose a reason for deleting your account. Pinterest provides several options, so simply select the one that best fits your situation. This step helps Pinterest understand why users decide to leave the platform. Once you've made your choice, confirm your decision to proceed. After confirming, your account will be scheduled for deletion. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible once completed, so make sure you really want to delete your Pinterest account before moving forward. If you're unsure, Pinterest may offer a grace period during which you can reactivate your account by logging back in. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can successfully delete your Pinterest account on your PC using the new app update. Thanks for watching.